Linda's Pantry, and today Shotzi and I are puttering around the house getting some food prep done and making a couple things, getting ready for just a fantastic week. And I made a promise that I was going to make this for lunches this week, and I'm going to take some of this to my daughter. But as you see in the title, I'm making a BLT pasta salad, and this was inspired by my friend Jeni Gough over at Jeni Gough, her YouTube channel. I did a shout out not too long ago for her, but we were talking and she makes this, and she had first gotten it from somebody that used to cater their office, and this is how they made it, as simple as can be. And I said, I have to make it. So in this bowl, I've cut up a half a head of fresh, crispy iceberg lettuce. The lettuces I have in the garden are not crispy, crunchy. They're all buttery. So I wanted some crunch, you know, and that you can't beat iceberg lettuce on a BLT. And I've got cherry tomatoes, quite a few of those in there. I've already cut that all up. This is a pound of pasta. Now, I don't know if I'm gonna use all of it or not. I'm gonna kind of see. I did rinse this. I cooked it all the way through, and I rinsed it with cold water. I don't know that I don't want it to be so full of pasta that you miss the BL or you miss the LT part and the B part. Oh, we need bacon. I gotta get the bacon out of the fridge. Okay. Oh, this is gonna be good. Just perfect. Just a little bit of pasta. So about a half a pound is really all I'm using. You guys want to come in and I'll show you when I dress it. Okay, come on in close. Okay, so this is as simple as it gets. See, you've got more lettuce. You know, bread should not be all of it. So same with the pasta. It's just mixed in there. So I'm doing more lettuce than pasta. You could go heavier with this amount. You could certainly go heavier. And I'm dressing it up with full fat regular mayonnaise. And you're gonna want a fair amount, because we like a fair amount of mayonnaise when we have a BLT. And then I like coarse ground black pepper on my BLT, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna put about a teaspoon of coarse ground black pepper all the way through this. So you're just gonna get it tossed and coat the pasta, the lettuce, the tomatoes, everything. So that was about a half a cup of mayo, and that's the only thing you need to dress this up. And you just want everything coated really nice. And if you think you need more pasta, let's throw it in there. But I don't think I do. I think this is going to be just perfect. Maybe a little bit more. I don't know. I haven't ever made this, so I'm excited. Yeah. I'm just going to add just a little bit more of the pasta. Not much. So I still have, probably 2 cups reserved that I did not use. So this is a big hearty pasta. You can use any kind of noodle you want. Macaroni, you could use egg noodle, you could use shells. Any of that would be just perfect. Rigatoni. Okay. Now, I crisp off about 6 slices of bacon. I cut it into lardons and I crisp it off. So, can you see that? I picked through and made sure none of the, you know, when you cut it like that, you get a lot of fat pieces. I pulled all those out. So it's really got a lot of bacon meat flavor and bacon meat. And you could put as much or as little in there as you like, but I'm gonna dish some up and I'm gonna give you a taste test, and I'll let you know if I got it right or not, if I got enough pepper, because I absolutely adore pepper on a BLT. Okay, I'm gonna dish it up. I'll be back. Okay, I'm ready. I'm super excited. Here we go. So we got that crispy lettuce. Let's get some bacon and tomato. Uh-oh. I don't have room on my fork. Okay, I got a bite of everything. Just like that. Wow, that is fantastic. That crispy crunch of the cold lettuce. A little bite of bacon. And then the pasta. I do think I want a little more pepper though. I'm kind of a pepper kind of girl. So there you go. Guys, I hope it inspires you. This is such an easy pasta salad and it's so delicious. I know some people out there are dressing it up with ranch and all that, but I really think if you want a true BLT, you don't put ranch on your sandwich. Or at least I don't. And if you're a Miracle Whip kind of person and that's what you use, then dress it with Miracle Whip. It would be delicious too. Oh my gosh. Absolutely wonderful. All right, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.